Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some pony beads and a large center bead. Whoa. You're going to need 4 of each color if you make the size that I'm making, but you can adjust the size if needed. We're going to use the same stitch and pattern I did for my choker. I'm going to link that video down below, or if you're familiar with this pattern, you can go ahead and stop the video and make this up. But you're going to need 4 sets of rainbow. So go ahead and stop the video if you need to go watch that video or just make one of these. And you want it to link together like a puzzle and the colors to match up. So if you need, I think this is like 8 inches possibly. Yeah, well, 7.5, 8 inches long, but if you need it smaller, you would just remove a rainbow or add another one on there to adjust the size. But once you get to this point, oh, you're also going to need a few feet of string. And if you run out, you can always tie more on. But I have this needle on the end, and this is optional. But we need to weave these together. So we're going to go through the pink, the purple, and this purple. And the blue. So you're just going back and forth through the beads that are sticking out. And then tighten that up. And now we need to connect these 2 beads together. So you're going to take your needle and go through the purple. And to reinforce that, we're going to go up through the blue. Uh-oh, my strings got wrapped around the camera. Alright, we're going to go up through the blue. And we're going to go back down the purple. So we're just reinforcing that. Okay, now that we have this part, we're going to... we're moving this direction. So we're on the purple. We're going to start with purple. So 2 pony beads, a large center bead, 2 purple. And we're going to go through this purple here. We're going to go up through the blue. We're going to add 2 pony beads, a center bead, and 2 pony beads. We're going to go up through this blue. Okay, we're going to go down through, down through the green. And I will be flipping this back and forth just because it's easier to hold and work that way, this direction. Okay, we have green. We're going to go through this green and down the yellow. Okay, I'm flipping it over. And we're going to go up the yellow and down this orange. I know I keep making a lot of videos with these balls, but I've been so inspired with these lately. So, but you can, like I said, you can use a different type of bead if you don't have access to these. But I'm obsessed right now. Orange. Go through the orange and up through the pink. Up through the pink. And down through the purple. Okay, guys, we have one set of our rainbow on there, and that's what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna repeat that 3 more times if you make this size. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm back to purple. So you're just gonna repeat this 3 more times, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, I'm at the end here, and I added my last set of beads, the pink here, and I went through this pink bead. And you can just go ahead and tie it off right here. And this is what it looks like. Alright, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time.